Hey guys, welcome back to Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. It's Sunday afternoon, football's on. I'm over here doing beer reviews. That's how much I love you guys. Anyway, we got a new beer from River Horse Brewing today. It's called Triple Horse. It's a Belgian Tripel. Comes in at 10%. The bottle says, "This is our take on a classic style, the Belgian Tripel. We've kept the recipe simple and true to style to not overwhelm the complex flavors imparted by our Belgian Trappist ale yeast strain, which is sourced from a Belgian monastery. We brew this beer to finish lower in gravity, residual sugar, which allows for a drier finish. We also add real coriander, crushed the day of the brew, adding citrus spices notes to round out the light clove and bubblegum notes imparted by the yeast. 10%, 5 SRM, which is fairly light. IBUs are coming in at 18. These guys are out of Ewing, New Jersey, and not a bad brewer. They've been around for a little while now. Looking forward to it. I'm lying. I already had one, but the last one it recorded in slow motion, so I couldn't use it because I didn't have enough frames. Actually, it recorded in time lapse. Sorry, not slow motion. Anyway, so you can imagine. Anyway, let's pour this thing out and see what it does. Big old head develops on it. That's nice. Thick and creamy. Looks yummy. I can smell the yeast. Bubblegum, definitely. Just bubblegum. A little bit of caramel maybe in it. I don't know if you noticed yet, but we're going to be starting to add a little bit more cinematic stuff going on in the videos. Make them a little bit more professional, especially with the round table. I'm really excited about the round table. It's just a lot of fun, drinking with the other guys and it being on camera and doing reviews about it and just the stuff that happens. It's just great. So keep your eyes on that stuff. Especially if you want to see something funny, check out part 5. Especially later in the video, maybe around the 11-12 minute mark. There's some funny stuff that goes down with the Bluetooth headsets, and it's just a riot. But anyway, back to this beer. Nice head on there. Looks thick, foamy, creamy, just hanging out. Not really dissipating too quickly. Looks wonderful. Nice and clear. Comes in a little bit darker than a straw. Starting to head into that golden. It is probably golden. 5 SRM is not that dark at all. I'm excited. It's my second 10% beer. I think we're going to do one more beer review after this, and then I'm going to watch some football. Maybe I'll come back a little later. Oh. Got the definitely the Belgian yeast taste to it. That little bit of heat from the alcohol, not a lot, just a little teaser. Some of them you're like, you drink it, you're like, you just had a shot, you're like, not like that. Just a little teaser to let you know that it's a higher octane. Got that golden taste, a little bit of coriander, a little bit of orange notes, maybe a little hint of vanilla in it, caramel, vanilla, on that area of it. I like it a lot. How am I going to rate it? Well, to be honest with you, I rated the last one that was in time-lapse mode an 8.0. So I'm going to stick with that because I really think that this is a very good style, that they do a very good job recreating it. I'd like to bring in some, and I probably will pick up some Belgian triples and Belgian beers as we move further down this road. I mean, you see we got, 110, 115 reviews up there, maybe even more by now. But it's exciting. We're probably going to start brewing too. The guys were talking about it the other day. I'm probably going to set up something in the garage again, just to brew 5-gallon batches, so that, we got some other stuff that we can talk about. But anyway, that's a review, guys. Make sure you subscribe over here at bottom right. Try and post a share on your timelines on Facebook. That would be really cool. And we need subscribers. That's the bottom line. I want to get live. They won't give me live without subscribers, and I think that would be really fun for Friday nights or Saturday nights or whatever. Keep everybody out of trouble and just get some laughs going. Anyway, peace, guys. Take care.